Hello guys, I am Professor Fayaz Kawadi from Department of Mechanical Engineering. In today's session, I would like to introduce the new mechanical element, that is cam and follower, from unit number 4, cam and follower from theory of machine subject. Basically, a cam is a rotating machine element which gives a reciprocating or oscillating motion to the another element called as follower. As you are looking the image of cam and follower assembly, the cam is a rotating member which is mounted on the shaft as he is getting the motion from motor. So when the motor shaft will rotate, the cam will also rotate. That rotating element is given to the another member due to the special geometry of that cam. And due to that geometry, as you can see, the rotary motion of cam is given to the another mechanical element which is continuously contact with the cam surface. And due to that geometry, the another member is reciprocating and getting motion. That member is called as a follower. Due to the geometry, the follower is getting different type of motion like oscillating motion, a reciprocating motion. The cam and follower have a line contact, hence form a higher pair. And guys, you know what is the difference between higher pair and lower pair? When the two elements of a pair are joined together with point or line contact between them, the joint is called as higher pair. So these form a higher pair. Cam and follower form the higher pair. Generally, the cam are rotated at uniform speed by using a shaft, and the follower motion is predetermined, which will be according to the shape of cam. A cam is connected to a rotating shaft, and the rotary motion of cam is transmitted to the roller follower. In this figure, the follower is of roller type, a roller follower which oscillates in the fixed guide. This is a fixed guide in which that follower is reciprocating. The direct contact between cam and follower is always maintained with help of the spring force and self-weight of the follower. This spring is also called as a retaining spring, as the spring is close coil helical spring and is applied the force in downward direction. So it is the requirement for transmitting the motion that follower and cam should always contact with each other. So this function is achieved by this retaining spring. The cam and follower arrangement forms a three-link mechanism of higher pair type. The three links are as follows. The cam is the driving link which has a straight or curved surface. The follower is the driven link which gets motion by the cam. And third, the frame which supports the cam and guides the follower, as you see in that figure. Now, the application of cam and follower. In general life also, you can see the different application of cam and follower. It is one of the simplest and important mechanism used in modern machineries. Generally, the machineries are paper cutting machines, printing machines, automatic lathe machine, etc. And in our general life also, if we see the sewing machine, in that also the needle is moving up and down motion, and that motion is getting by cam using that machine. Also, the cam and follower is used in inlet and outlet walls of IC engine. These are inlet and outlet wall in IC engine, and these walls are getting motion, reciprocating motion by this cam which is mounted on camshaft. Also in our toys, Different cam and followers assemblies are used for getting motion. Here you can see the different applications of cam and follower in toys also. So these are the general introduction part of cam and follower. So at the end of this session, you can understand the cam and follower and the application of it. Thank you so much for observing that video.